Hi, my name is Atticus, and I invite you to listen to my science fair project about a topic that will affect the future for all of us: global warming and the sequestering of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a necessary part of our planet's ecosystem. Plants use carbon dioxide for photosynthesis to obtain carbon and release oxygen, which all living creatures need. Although carbon dioxide is necessary, too much of it is very destructive to the atmosphere. This is what is causing global warming. This makes me wonder if it is possible to remove enough carbon dioxide from the atmosphere to end global warming. To investigate my question, I viewed documentaries, YouTube videos, and TED Talks. From there, I read various studies and journals to see what the scientific evidence concluded. Nearly 100% of scientists acknowledge that global warming exists and that the excess carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is the cause. Besides the dedicated efforts needed to reduce carbon emissions in the first place, humans must implement the sequestering of existing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Through the use of geologic and biologic sequestration, the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere can be reduced to a level where it does not have a negative effect on the planet. Geologic sequestration involves direct air capture and carbon capture. These processes require human invention and technology for them to function. On the other hand, biologic sequestration allows the planet to use its own natural processes to heal itself. For this to be successful, humans must change their methods of farming and obtaining resources. First, the Earth's plants absorb carbon dioxide and use the carbon to create sugars. In this process, the plants separate the carbon from the oxygen and then release the oxygen into the atmosphere as a byproduct. Plus, the soil holds any of the carbon that the plant does not immediately use. This is why regenerative agriculture practices do not till the soil. Disturbances in the land will release the soil's stored carbon. Next, the aquatic vegetation of the ocean sequesters carbon dioxide through photosynthesis, much like the plants on land. The carbon and oxygen are separated and released into the ocean. From there, the oxygen remains in the water while the carbon sinks to the bottom of the ocean and solidifies. In addition, the ocean's wind and wave currents draw down air from the atmosphere. The carbon dioxide in the air dissolves into the water. From there, the oxygen remains in the water and the carbon sinks to the bottom of the ocean and solidifies. Since the beginning of time, each living thing on Earth has been a component of a balanced ecosystem. This has allowed the Earth to regulate and heal itself throughout its existence. However, the recent industrialization created by humans has displaced the balance of the Earth's ecosystem. The only way to solve this problem is to reduce the amount of harmful greenhouse gas emissions and cleanse the air of excess carbon dioxide in order for the Earth to heal itself so that humanity and Mother Nature can live in the paradise that Earth once was.